Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to file Virginia state tax. It's very easy as well as very important. So first of all, before moving further, I would like to inform you that you have to gather some of the documents. So collect all the necessary documents including your W-2S, 1099S and any other income record as well as a completed federal tax return. After that, you have to choose the filing method. Such filing method is basically you can do with your online, which is basically use commercial, basically use the Virginia Department of Taxation online service, e-forms or e-files, right? You can go through the website which I will show you. The second option is software use commercial tax preparation softwares that support Virginia state tax filing. The third thing is paper download and print form. Let me show you. Just go to Google and here you have to write 760, right? That is for residential individual income tax return from the Virginia department, right? 760, just right here, Virginia form, tax form, as you can see here. So here you will be redirected to this official website, and this is the PDF which you can download, print it out, and you can fill the paper and submit in the local uh, local office of the Virginia. Now here complete form 760 personal information. So as you can see here in the starting section, you have to fill all the information such as your including name, address and social security, SSN number, which you can see here. Enter your total income from all sources as reported on your federal returns. Deductions and credits. Claim any deduction and credit you qualify for. Then you have to calculate your tax. Use the tax tables provided to determine your tax, which you will basically the consultant who is doing for you, he will just identify the tax. If you're doing yourself, you can do it. Now report any tax payment made during the year, such as estimated tax payments and calculated whether you own additional tax or due or fraud. Attach a copies of your W-2S 1099 and other relevant documents to your Form 760 if you're filing by paper. Double check all the entries for accuracy, sign your tax return, and ensure all necessary documents are attached. So here, if you want to submit it online, on the top right, you will get option login of the Virginia tax website, individual as well as a business account. If you're individual, you can choose for individual. And if I just click over here, individual, it will ask me to sign up, basically sign in. So here I have to enter my email and the password and you will be inside. So if you owe any additional taxes, make your payment by the tax filing deadline, which is basically May 1st, right? And check any refund status, keep records, and if you're facing an issue, you can consult a professional tax who is very professional in tax professionals. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.